Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best rotary laser level you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best rotary laser level in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Spectra Precision LL300N Rotary Laser Level. The LL300N's fully automatic self-leveling capability provides a fast, accurate setup. The Spectra Precision LL300N laser level features a rugged design with a metal sunshade that provides superior drop and weather protection. Its fully automatic self-leveling capability provides a fast, accurate setup on any construction site, in any type of weather. Rechargeable Ni-MH battery pack or alkaline batteries keeps the tool working with no downtime due to power loss. Built to withstand severe drops of up to 3 feet directly onto concrete, or up to 5 feet when pushed over on a tripod. Rechargeable Ni-MH battery pack or alkaline batteries keeps the unit working with no downtime due to power loss. Single cross-axis manual slope mode with cross-axis self-leveling allows grade matching for basic slope work, while maintaining accuracy in the cross slope. Increases productivity with fast setups, fewer mechanical parts, and automatic self-leveling. 1-person elevation control with 1,650 feet diameter range increases productivity. Maintains performance even in rainy, dusty, and other harsh job sites and weather conditions. IP66 environmental rating. Durable design reduces downtime due to drops and tripod tip-overs. For details, let's watch more. Our second best rotary laser level is Iglobalbuy Rotary Red Laser Level. This Iglobalbuy electronic self-leveling rotary laser level offers rotational speeds of 60, 120, 300, and 600 revolutions per minute. It can be used indoors and out, and it has a range of up to 1,650 feet. It is also self-leveling, although instructions are not as clear as they could be. To find any kind of rotary laser level at this price is something of a surprise. To find that it includes red tinted glasses, a target, laser receiver, remote control, rechargeable battery, and charger gives it great value. Unfortunately, it does not include a tripod, though a standard thread is fitted. Accuracy does let this level down a little. It is quoted as ±20 inches horizontal or vertical. Some quick math gives an equivalent of approximately 1 1/4 inch at 100 feet. So while it isn't a device for high precision, it can still help with many jobs around the house and yard. Third pick in our list is Topcon RL-H5A. This is multi-purpose laser grading, excavating and general construction projects are perfect applications for the RL-H5A. With the IP66 rating, the RL-H5A is job site tough and can withstand dust, a sudden shower and even torrential rainfall. With electronic self-leveling, you press the power button and go right to work in seconds. If the RL-H5A gets disturbed on the job, it relevels itself automatically. The self-leveling motors are accurate to plus or minus 10 arc seconds. The Topcon RL-H5A rotary laser is able to last through intense working conditions and even being subjected to dust and water. With an IP66 rating, the tool has the highest protection against dust and is just enough waterproofing for any construction site. The level comes with a sensor holder and a sensor that can detect a laser for up to 2,600 feet for the best operating range. The Topcon RL-H5A has automatic self-leveling, which makes setup easy and increases the tool's reliability since the rotary laser will instantly alert when it's been moved. Number 4 in our side is Johnson's self-leveling rotary laser system. These rotary laser kits are turnkey job site leveling solutions that offer simple, one-person operation to save you time and money. With 4 different models to choose from, you'll find the perfect laser for any job or budget, from DIY to large commercial construction and everything in between. The kit includes a Class A laser with a maximum power output of 5 milliwatts. No matter which laser you choose, you'll get a full-size contractor's tripod and 13 feet grade rod, because bigger is definitely better. The 99006K self-leveling rotary laser system includes a soft carrying case laser only, a 13 feet grade rod, LED one-sided detector, a contractor-grade tripod, freestanding target, a drop ceiling bracket, and laser glasses. Dimensions is 6.61 by 4.96 by 6.69 inch. Use vertically for laying out walls and floors, or installing metal drywall track. Use horizontally to install wainscoting, drop ceilings, or for leveling cabinets. Interior range up to 200 feet diameter depending upon light conditions. Exterior range up to 800 feet. Diameter with detector. Check floor heights prior to pouring concrete or erecting walls. Check survey stake heights, and check alignment with the 90-degree split laser. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best rotary laser level list is BOSCH RL-920HVK rotary laser. The BOSCH RL-920HVK features a horizontal vertical self-leveling laser, suitable for leveling, aligning and squaring applications. The rotary laser provides users with variable speed selection and manual scan angles for maximum visibility at different lighting conditions. It delivers accuracy of up to ±1/8 inch at 100 ft, and a range of up to 1000 ft. With LR10 laser receiver. The electronic self-leveling system has a disturbance monitor, which indicates to the user if tool position changes, ensuring consistent leveling accuracy on the job site. The laser has a metal cage and an easy-to-use remote control that allows for one-person operation to handle leveling and grading tasks on the job site. With BOSCH laser technology, users are able to be more productive and more profitable with greater accuracy and precision on the job site. By offering an extensive range of line lasers, laser measures, rotary lasers, point lasers, digital levels, optical levels and measuring tool accessories, BOSCH is able to provide solutions for a wide variety of applications.